Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Papine and I want you guys to look at the road. This road has been paved over, very nicely done. But you notice what's missing from the road? The white lines. Now this road has been paved over for about maybe more than 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And they still haven't put in the white lines. I cannot figure out why. I'm asking you guys, does anybody know why it is so hard to put the white lines on the roads in Jamaica? Now, a road that's going to be renovated, you can say, okay, they'll wait till I renovate it. But this road has been finished for quite some time now, and still no white lines. There's so many roads in Jamaica like this. Now, you wouldn't believe how easy it is to put in the white lines. There is a machine that you sit in and you just drive and it sprays out the white lines. We saw them doing it on the highway from Harborview to Yallows. And they move so fast. Now, if the NWA was to get a couple of these machines, I'm not sure what the cost is, and just paint the roads, put the white lines in the roads, it would make such a difference. Because right now, you have no idea where the lanes are. Especially this side of the road now that has two-way traffic. It's something that I've just never been able to understand why they don't paint them. Even if it's an old road and you know the road is not going to be renovated for another couple of years, put the white line back on the old road. It's needed. See, this is the old road now. This part of the road hasn't been renovated. You can see probably some patching was done. Still no white lines. I can't figure it out, guys. Leave your comments in the section below. Why you think why they don't paint the roads in Jamaica with the white lines? I can't figure it out. I don't know. I mean, the machine could not be that expensive. It's a small machine. And I should have looked at the name on the side of the machine. Actually, the video is up. I'm going to look back at the video. Guys, you can check out the video. It's painting our white lines to do with the Southern Coastal Highway. And you'll see we drove behind the machine and it just drives and sprays the paint. And there are two people, the driver on one side and then somebody that sits on the other side and directs the painting. It's so simple. And it's something that if NWA was to buy the machines, it's something that they would use over and because almost with the exception of the new roads, a lot of the roads need white lines. Even the community roads need painted. And yet I shouldn't say every Christmas, but every so often they paint the sidewalks. They paint the sidewalks ever so often, but they don't paint the road. So what is more important, having a pretty white line on the sidewalk or a white line in the middle of the road? I just don't get it. And they spend money painting these roads, the sidewalks, yet the main road that you have to drive on doesn't have the lines. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. We are driving through Papine today. Alright guys, have a good day.